Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. In this video, I will talk about hands-on labs. To enter hands-on labs, uh, this is the URL handsonlabs.vmware.com. Scroll down to network virtualization. Network virtualization here, NSX, as we can see here. Our lab ID is HOL-1903, okay, 01. Enroll. It asks me about credentials. This is my VMware account. I will, because I started the lab, I will log out and confirm. I will back to hands-on labs again. Okay. Scroll down to network virtualization. Enroll. As we can see here, the time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Start this lab. The VMware is building our lab. As we can see here, we have a manual to each lab. Here, the lab guides. We will not use this guide because we will create our lab. As we can see here, this lab is this manual for the lab. Okay, I will close this one. Okay, here I will maximize and full screen. As we can see here, there is a README file. It has all credentials for the lab. Okay, I'll scroll down. I will, as we can see here, for web vSphere web client, NSX manager, NSX controllers, realize and realize network. Okay, and FTP. I will copy this username because I wanted to go to vSphere client. Username and password. Login. As we can see here, vSphere Web Client Flash, vSphere Web Client HTML5, serialize log, here for logging, for logs, and serialize network. This is for trace the traffic. Okay. Takes some time. Okay. And we will get all labs. Okay. Here, the lab is very good, but the first time takes some time. The data center has this info. The data center has region 1 here. It's our data center. As we can see here, we have 3 clusters. Region 1 compute 01, region 1 compute 02, region 1 management. Okay, region 1 has ESX 1 and 2. All our labs will work on this region. Region 2 has this ESX 3 and this virtual machine, our management. We have controller, distributed router, and ESX manager here. All management plane on this region. Okay, let's go and go to network security and security. This is the will display NSX edge, the NSX components. Okay, let's go and see the switches. We have these switches. We will work with web tier and Windows tier switches. That's all what I want to talk about the lab. I take an overview of the lab to work with it. Thank you very much and see you.